We are under a tornado watch. I definitely think I am on a basket kick right now.
Do you see it?
I do. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning. It is right over my head.
Ayo.
All right, good evening, everybody. So we are on round 2 of potential severe thunderstorms. I think we are under a tornado watch this evening. Anyway, I am currently in the middle of making, trying to find, okay. So I am currently in the middle of making a 7-layer Jello salad, and I decided to do the colors of the rainbow. And it's where you do like a layer of Jello and then a layer of Jello mixed with condensed milk and then another layer, and you do 7 layers. And then you top it with whipped cream, and it's really, really easy to make, but it's a lengthy process to make it because each layer needs to cool. They say 45 minutes, but it's really hot today, so it seems to be taking a little bit longer. I've been going about 1 hour and 15 minutes in between layers, so we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Anyway, I just did my lime layer. Once that's done, I'm gonna do some blue raspberry. I've got grape, and then I've got regular raspberry. So I was gonna do peach at the very end, but I opted to go with this pink raspberry just because I think it'll look pretty. Anyway, so I have cherry, orange, pineapple, lime, and then those other 3 that I showed you. So it should be pretty tasty. To me, it always tastes like a Jolly Rancher when you put the Cool Whip on top and stuff. I just think it's super good. Anyway, I need to clean bird cages yet tonight. And then we are going to pick up Ireland tomorrow in Omaha. So that's really, really exciting for us. I can't believe it. Her time is done there. She has 1 more sleep. That's what I said this morning. I'm like, good morning, sweetheart. 1 more sleep till we come to get you. So I'm very excited. I'm ready for her to be home. Look, I'll show you what we did in her room. It's not finished. She needs her bed made, and she needs, like I said, she needs a bed frame, but she does have her desk in here now. And I don't want to step on her carpet because I have shoes on, but she's got a shelf in here. And then her mattress is in here. I'm going to try to stack this shelf on top of this one because I believe they're supposed to be designed to do that. So that way it'll give her a little more. But how exciting. She's going to come home and have her own room to sleep in. She's not going to have to share anymore. So I have a little over 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and clean some bird cages. That was on my list. I actually had a detailed cleaning I wanted to do today, but I needed to do some running for Tearlyn. She needed a swimsuit because that's what I'm making. I don't even know if I said it. I'm making the 7-layer Jello salad because not tomorrow, but the next day we have a family get together that we're going to. And we all try to bring something. And so that's my contribution to what we're gonna do there. Anyway, so I had to take Tearlyn shopping for a swimsuit today because she was in need of a new swimsuit. I think all the rest, Ireland got one. She needed one this year. And they said she needed it for the summer intensive. And then she never ended up needing it. So, but now she'll have it for our family fun day that we're going to do. So my oldest sister puts on a family fun day for our mom and dad, and then us kids, and then our kids, us siblings, and then our kids. And we all get together and we bring something. And then usually my oldest sister and her husband, they'll supply like the main food, and then we all bring sides. So, and we swim in the pool down where they store their boat. So it's fun. It's a good time. We do it every year right around this time. So, okay, so I'm getting ready to clean the bird cages, but I wanted to show you, I thrifted this basket that I'm using for my laundry now. I hung up clotheslines in the backyard, And I love this. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love this basket. There is just enough room in it to take down my shirts and stuff off the line. And it's environmentally friendly because it's wooden. So, isn't that beautiful? I love it. It's so, and I love this like bag look that it has to it. Isn't that neat? I was so excited. I went with the intention of looking for baskets today, and I found that one, and I found a book basket today. See, it's higher on one side than on the other, and it's just perfect for all the titles that I'm currently reading this summer. Look how cute she is. She's so much happier today. I've had to ice her a ton because it is so hot right now where we live, but isn't she pretty? Oh, and because I just dropped one of my shirts that I brought in off the line. Oh, this one's still a little damp. Anyway, because I'm on a basket kick, see, I found this one. I thrifted this one. So all of my baskets have been thrifted recently, which is so environmentally friendly because that stuff's not ending up in the landfill. Somebody else didn't want it, and now I'm bringing it home. And look, this one's perfect for, I have 100 clothespins in here. So it's just the right size for all of my clothespins. Isn't that cute? So cute. I definitely think I am on a basket kick right now. Okay. All right. Let's take care of all these babies. I think I'm going to start with the parakeets because they're easiest. Hello?
Do you see it?
I do. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning.
We know, Dad. Got the radio on.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're getting home, Mama.
All right. Love you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I was actually getting ready to pick up the camera. I was in the middle of cleaning the bird cages, and you can hear Guyana's getting pretty upset. I'm going to try to get their cage cleaned. We'll see. We'll see if the weather holds out. I may have to wait, but I can at least clean out the bottom and stuff, but the rest of it might have to wait. Anyway, yeah, they called, and then all of a sudden a notification came up that they were under a severe thunderstorm warning, and I'm going to check the weather map because I think it is headed this way. I thought we were supposed to get it a little bit later this evening, but it may be moving in towards us. So let me see. I was actually watching a video of some of my favorite YouTubers. I haven't actually had the time to sit down and watch some of the people I enjoy watching on YouTube recently, so it's kind of nice change to get to do that tonight. I've been doing a ton of reading and stuff like that. Oh, okay. No, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning now. So let's see. Let me check the map. Of course, I get a commercial. They got to make money somehow to keep the apps going, huh? Long ads too. Okay. Let's see. So it looks like probably, I think they're really in the worst of it. It may, yeah. So they just, I caught it before. I can see it coming up through Alexa. They just issued it for us. But I think it's going to get us a little bit later. We're definitely going to get some rain real soon here. So we'll see if I get, but I don't know if we're going to be in that red and yellow. Definitely Braxen got off early tonight, so that was nice. They're on their way home, so they won't have to be hopefully driving any more in it than they already are. So, okay, we'll just kind of keep an eye on the weather and we'll keep you posted as we know more. I think that storm finally got here. Yeah, okay, it did. Oh, oh my. Holy
Toledo. It is right over my head. Oh, and it got cold fast. Look at that, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna let Zane know to come downstairs. It is no wonder the birds were freaking out. I couldn't figure out why Guyana kept going, baby, baby. Look at that sky, you guys. Holy cow. Look how fast that system's moving. See, there's the line right there. And then it's just, wow. I'm gonna go look at the front of that. This? Look at that storm right there. Look at that. I'm not hearing any sirens or anything. But it's definitely... Look at that. Those clouds are super low right there. It's starting to rain. Look at this one. Look how fast those ones are moving right there. Look at them going back up. See, they were dropping down. And now right there, they're going back up. And it's gotten really cold. It's like hovering above the house. Look at that right there. See that? I can't tell if they're dropping back down or going back up again. It's literally like it's right, I mean it is, it's right above our heads. much lower they are again. Look at that. Right out there. And they've definitely shelved up. It's so quiet too. Look at that shelf. Look at that. There's definitely a defined shelf right there and there. I wonder what that looks like from the front of it. Whoa. Look at that system. So quiet.